Hi everyone. Y'all might be wondering, y'all always keep saying how to do Sonic. Cause once you start learning this technique, you could doing Sonic and impress your friends. Okay, here we go. To do Sonic, if you get that little tone, if you get that little tone and you talk like this a little bit faster, if you get that little tone, you talk like this a little bit faster, you gonna sound like Sonic the Hedgehog. It's all about doing the throat. Cause Sonic speak fast. Hey Tails, what's going on? Knuckles, I don't got time for this. Come and get some, egghead. So, how do I explain this? Everybody had different voices rage. Once you master this, you could do Sonic and he would never appear away. We're doing Sonic for quite a years now. And that's when I learned how to do Sonic voice. Hey Tails, what's going on? Or, those are my chili dogs. Sonic is always the funniest character. So, that's because Sonic is a very funny hedgehog. But only person who do not like Sonic is Shadow. But Tails, he likes his brother. Knuckles, the other hand, is different from Shadow. He don't even like Sonic either until they realize. But Sonic is nothing like Shadow. Knuckles likes Sonic. He just can't see it. But remember what I said about Sonic speaking fast? 1, 2, 3. And I was telling her, no way, that's my chili dogs. So I hope you like your Sonic voice. If you wanted to learn more, come straight to me. Super Sonic style!